In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account on Waze. To get started, open Waze in your browser and make sure you're on the main Waze page. Once the site has loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll usually find your account access and profile controls. From there, click on the profile icon. This will open the menu connected to your Waze account. In that menu, select Account Settings. This is the section where Waze keeps options related to your profile, account preferences, and account management. After that, your screen will take you to the account area. Now look to the upper left-hand side of the page where you'll see the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click those 3 lines to open the navigation menu. Once the menu expands, find and click Delete Your Account. This will take you to the account deletion page. At this point, Waze will show you a warning message that says this action can't be undone. That message is important because deleting your account is permanent. It means your account and associated data will no longer be recoverable through the normal account settings process. If you're sure you want to continue, click Continue. You'll then be asked to verify the account by entering your email address and password. Be sure to type in the login details for the Waze account you actually want to remove. If you use a password manager, this can help speed things up and avoid typing errors. After entering your login information, click Delete Account. Waze will then usually show one final confirmation prompt to make sure this is really what you want to do. When that appears, click Delete Account again to confirm the deletion. Once you complete that final confirmation, your Waze account deletion request will be submitted. If the page doesn't change right away, give it a moment to process. It's also a good idea to avoid refreshing the page during this step unless the site appears completely stuck. And that's all it takes to delete your account on Waze. Just remember to read each confirmation screen carefully before clicking through, especially since this process is designed to be permanent. If this guide helped you, you can always come back and replay it whenever you need a quick refresher.